Hi folks, Gene Wunderlich, your government affairs guy here with a warning today for homeowners. You know, I've been a realtor for over 16 years, and when I've worked with buyers, I've always suggested they check with their own bank first for a mortgage loan. Just seemed to make sense to work with an institution you've already got a relationship with. But I've got to tell you today about a little-known program called the Right of Offset that may have you rethinking where you keep your money. The other day an old client called. She's going through a short sale right now and she's delinquent on her mortgage. Seems her bank, where she has both her checking account and her mortgage, dipped into her checking account to pay her mortgage, all without telling her. So now her mortgage is paid, but the rest of her bills aren't. She wanted to find out if that's legal for them to do. It is. It's what's called the right of offset. If you don't believe me, just Google it. The definition of right of offset grants your lender the legal right to seize deposited funds to cover a loan that's in default. And they don't even have to notify you before they do it, or in most cases even after they've done it. You find out when your other checks start to bounce. Sweet, huh? The comptroller of the currency administrator for National Bank says the following: generally, a bank may take money from your deposit account to make a payment on a separate debt that you owe to the bank, such as a mortgage or auto loan, if you're not paying that loan on time. This is called the right of offset. Federal law does limit what a bank can do in some cases. For example, it won't allow them to offset your deposit account to pay off consumer credit cards. But folks, if you're having financial problems and thinking about defaulting on your loan for either foreclosure or a short sale, you might want to make sure any spare cash you do have is in a different bank from the one that holds your mortgage. Otherwise, you might find out you've been had by the right of offset. As my friend found out, it can be a rude awakening, and it can put a further hurt on your credit at a time when you really don't need the aggravation. This is Gene Wunderlich, your government affairs guy. I'm at the table, so you're not on the menu.